The Grand Scale. Episode 4. Galaxies. The Giant Cosmic Islands. Welcome back, explorers. In Lesson 3, we saw stars die. But where do these stars live? What holds billions of them together? Today, we leave the stars and look at their massive homes. Galaxies. Prepare your minds. The universe is getting much, much bigger. Beyond the stars. A star is like a single person, but a galaxy is a giant city. Inside one galaxy, there are billions of stars, planets, and nebulas. Everything is moving, spinning, and dancing in the dark void. Gravity is the invisible hand that keeps this giant city together. Our home, the Milky Way. We live in a beautiful spiral galaxy called the Milky Way. It looks like a giant spinning wheel made of silver dust. Our sun is just one small star on the edge of this wheel. It takes 230 million years for our sun to complete one circle. The different shapes. Galaxies are not all the same. They come in three main shapes. Some are spirals with long arms, like a cosmic hurricane. Some are ellipticals, looking like giant smooth eggs of light. Others are irregular, with no shape at all, chaotic and wild. The Spiral Mystery. Spiral galaxies are the star factories of the universe. Their arms are full of gas and dust, nebulas, for new stars. The blue light you see in the arms comes from young, hot stars. It is a place of constant birth, life, and bright energy. The heart of the galaxy. What is at the center of every large galaxy? A monster is sleeping there. A supermassive black hole. It is millions of times heavier than our sun. It controls the movement of everything around it like a king. Cosmic neighbors. Galaxies do not like to be alone. They live in groups. The Milky Way is part of a small group called the Local Group. Our closest big neighbor is the Andromeda Galaxy. Right now, Andromeda is moving towards us very fast. The Giant Collision. In 4 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will crash. It will be a dance of gravity, not a destructive explosion. Stars will pass each other, and the two galaxies will become one. We call the future galaxy Milkdromeda. The Ghost Force. Scientists found a problem. Galaxies spin too fast. Gravity from stars is not enough to hold them together. Something invisible is helping gravity. We call it dark matter. We cannot see it, but we know it is everywhere in space. The expanding universe. The universe is not standing still. It is growing larger. Galaxies are moving away from each other like spots on a balloon. The further a galaxy is, the faster it runs away from us. Space itself is stretching every single second. Light from the past. When we look at a distant galaxy, we are looking at the past. The light takes millions of years to reach our eyes. We see the galaxy as it was when dinosaurs walked the Earth. The telescope is our cosmic time machine. Galactic cannibalism. Big galaxies often grow by eating smaller galaxies. Gravity pulls the small neighbor into the giant center. The Milky Way has eaten many small galaxies in its long life. This is how the universe recycles matter and energy. Quasar, the brightest lights. Some young galaxies have a very hungry black hole at the center. As the black hole eats gas, it releases incredible light. These are called quasars, the brightest objects in the universe. A single quasar shines brighter than 1,000 galaxies. The cosmic web. If you zoom out, the universe looks like a spider web. Galaxies form long filaments and giant empty voids. This structure is the largest thing in existence. We are just a tiny part of this infinite cosmic net. Summary of the journey. We started with stars, and now we understand the galaxies, from gravity and black holes to the expanding universe. Life exists because stars made elements inside these galaxies. You are not just in the universe is inside you. Question: if the Milky Way and Andromeda are moving towards each other, what will happen in 4 billion years? A. They will explode and disappear. B. They will pass through each other and form a new galaxy. C. Dark matter will push them away at the last second. D. A supernova will destroy both galaxies instantly. You finished Lesson 4. You are now a true citizen of the cosmos. Next time, we will go to the edge of everything, the cosmic web and the Big Bang. Keep your eyes on the stars and your mind open. See you in the next episode of Polaris Academy.